Yes, it does. Do you know when I got that ornament? I got that ornament when your mommy was born, and she was a baby.
So she could play with it?
No, it was just an ornament that reminded us that she was born in 1984.
As if you were going to forget. What do I do with my coffee? Is that mine over there? No.
Mine's sitting up there.
Did you think this was the ornament missing this box? Did you think it was this one?
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to go back in the box.
Was it this ornament?
No. Actually, I think...
Or was that one?
No, it's a round one like a ball. I think it might have a...
I think it was this one because this one looks like, let's see if it could fit.
Well, that's kind of a big box for that one.
Well, it can't fit.
Yes, it fits. That's okay. We're not putting them away. We're putting them on the tree now. Did your hook come out, Miss Lily?
Yes. Hook come out. I want another one.
Mansions.
There's lots of them in there.